Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me an email saying that their smoothing tool is not working. Well, it probably is. You're just not thinking about something. So you grab your smoothing tool and you start smoothing it, and it doesn't smooth. It doesn't work. It's because you don't have the item selected. So with the crosshair, select the item where you get the bounding box, and then once you get the bounding box, it's going to start smoothing it out. And once you see the node, you can move around. You don't have to see the bounding box anymore. And just keep in mind that the more pin pressure you have, the smoother it's going to get, the quicker. And a lot of times that's not a good thing because you could go too far. And you can always change the size of your pin and make it 5, and it will, see, I'm selected on it, but 5 will smooth it out even more. It's a really cool tool. I use it probably almost daily, but you've got to be selected. So like if you see those nodes, you've got it selected, but once you click off of it, the nodes are gone. So if you just get the smoothing tool, you can't just start smoothing. You've got to click on it, see the bounding box. Once you see the bounding box, you can see the nodes are visible and just smooth away. And the longer you can, if you stay on an item long enough, it'll get smoother. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.